Hi, this is Jonathan from ModHub, and today we're going to be talking about how to repin a A4 B9 airbag if you have bought one of our reprogrammed buttons for B8 or older models on a B9 steering wheel. So if you've got the reprogrammed buttons, these are reprogrammed from a B9 to a B8. You will still need to repin this airbag so that it basically works, because the wiring is different from B9 to the B8 and older series. So what you will need is a pick, a depinning tool, and probably a set of needle nose pliers. So here we have a dual stage airbag. You'll notice it's dual stage airbag because it's got this secondary igniter here. If you are configuring an older model car, a B8, A38Ps, most of the older model cars will have a dual stage airbag. The only ones that don't are probably a Q38Us and stuff like that, but those run a different kind of a button system anyway. So it's quite simple. First thing first, as per our other video regarding the removal or pinning of the decoder, okay, what we want to do is just remove that horn cable. Okay, we're only taking out the horn cable, we're not taking out the purple cable, the LIN bus cable. Okay, so just use a pin, push it down, the blue cable. So you'll see this here is slipped out, so I can pull it out, and I'll have to do it again here because the catch will catch on the other one. And there we go. Okay, it's come out, and we're gonna try and bring it all the way to this side. So what we need to do now is really just remove that wrapping. Okay. Okay, and we can just kind of bend it upwards so it's about there. Give us a bit more slack. Then we're going to take the pick and we're going to push out this purple harness here. Okay, so right now you can see the cable is out. So now we're going to push out this purple locking pin and the yellow plug. And we're not going to push it out fully like this, but what we're going to do is bring it in line with this yellow part here as much as possible. Make it as even as possible. You're looking from the top. Okay, let me just zoom in and get you what I'm showing about. So it's a little bit too far out. Okay, and right there. That's good, because that will help you depin. So what you want to do now is you got to depin just one cable, which is your brown cable, which is, if you look in here, it's a ground cable. It's on 1, 2, 3, 4 in from the rear, the bottom. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So pin number 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4 here. We're going to insert our depinning tool until we feel a little bit of a click. We're just going to take needle nose pliers just zoom out, sorry. So in case you didn't miss it, if you missed it, we're gonna depin that brown cable. What we're gonna do is 1, 2, 3, 4, go in, click, okay, remove the brown cable. Oh, you don't want to tug it too hard and remove it, okay? Right, now that's done. We've got the blue and the brown out. It's great. Now all we need to do is put the brown cable at the top left hand. So let's see if I can get this to be zoomed in. So the brown cable will go here, right, in the top left hand corner. The blue cable will go next to it. Wait for the click. And the click. And then what we want to do is just stretch out the cable a little bit, put it in, and close that up. That will lock everything in place. Don't forget to lock the purple locking pin, and you're pretty much done. All you need to do now is rewrap this cable in the original harness, that cloth harness, into as compact a thing, and you're done. All right, cheers.